Hey folks, I'm Mike Evers, OrthoWorld Senior Market Analyst. In this video, we'll discuss some of the takeaways from the most recent edition of the Orthopedic Industry Annual Report. Let's get started. The orthopedic market reached $64.9 billion in worldwide sales in 2025, up 4.9%. We expect growth to moderate but remain elevated compared to pre-2020 averages. Our forecast calls for $78 billion in global sales by the end of 2029. Growth will be driven by beneficial patient demographics, expanding technology, improving outcomes, and promising macroeconomic indicators. Performance across product segments largely met expectations in 2025, as they saw healthy demand but normalized after a period of elevated growth. As they did last year, joint replacement and trauma overperformed relative to historical averages. So let's take a whirlwind tour through some of the segment dynamics. In joint replacement, we're watching the share erosion of some of the top players, the battle for technology leadership, and the potential fallout from the impending spin-off of the Pew Synthes. In spine, technology has created a new basis of competition. Minimally invasive procedures could be the future, and the ASC shift is happening, but slowly. In trauma, foot and ankle volumes remain softer. Innovation has elevated core trauma's growth rate, and specialized companies like Orthopedics are having success. In sports medicine, the largest players have consolidated much of the market, but startups are seeking to disrupt the status quo by meeting evolving patient needs, and the segment will likely see the industry's next big wave of enabling technology. In Orthobiologics, the segment remains a strategic priority for M&A. Companies with differentiated products are driving significant growth in key markets, and players are still trying to bridge the evidence gap. Finally, in enabling technology, more companies are leaning heavily into developing tech portfolios. Optionality may be the key to converting surgeons, and a full ecosystem is the best way to gain and protect market share. Now, according to our estimates, the 8 companies with more than $1 billion in revenue account for 67% of all orthopedic sales. When you expand that view out to the 50 largest companies, that group accounts for 85% of global sales. Today, we'll cherry pick one company from each tier to highlight. In the top tier, we're watching Zimmer Biomet as it enters a crucial, transformative year. It's leading the charge on tech optionality, but faces a disruptive restructuring of its U.S. commercial organization. Additionally, sales from its Paragon 28 acquisition haven't quite met expectations. In the $400 to $999 tier, we're waiting to see CONMED's performance. The company spent much of 2025 fixing broken or underperforming systems. As those problems mitigate, what will it look like when the company is able to fully commit to offense again? In the $200 to $399 bracket, we're watching VB Spine. After acquiring Stryker's U.S. spine implant business, the company has assembled a nice array of technology to compete at the top of the spine market. In our last tier, we're watching Kuros Biosciences, and how will they build on their category-leading growth, especially in the United States. That's it for today, folks. We've barely scratched the surface on our orthopedic market overview. You can find all the details and over 100 exhibits in the 2026 edition of our annual report. If you want all the sales data that went into building those exhibits, the Orthopedic Company's sales matrix is available for download by OrthoWorld Elite members. Make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get all of our upcoming 2026 analysis. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Mike Evers, and I'll see you next time.